Hi, Lynn here with Create Whimsy, and I've finished my hoodie, and now I want to finish the edges with a scalloped crochet edge. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So I'm going to get a little bit closer to this. So we're going to start with our thread. We're going to come into the first hole, and I'm going to just start right here on this edge and bring your yarn up. We're going to do one single crochet, then we're going to do a double crochet. Then we're going to do a triple crochet. Then we're just going to do a plain double crochet. And a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 stitches in here. Then we do 1 crochet, and then we do that all again in the next hole. So we'll do a single, a double, a triple, then a double, and then a single. And you just continue all the way around your crocheted item, and you'll end up with this really great looking finished edge.